Paiksian tong harap, kuya.
A glass or a bottle? We also have a snack platter and a fruit platter. Do you need one?
Okay.
A snack platter?
Okay.
682.
Keep the change, please.
Ano po, sisiro po natin yung baba. Pero yung...
Oo. Mga half. Ito, pwede bang isiro itong... Oo, tapos yung maiksing lang talaga.
Mga 0.5 na lang po.
Sige.
I'll give you a few rides.
Basta maiksi din itong sa taas. Para kasi ang kapal.
He's my client. You always get the rich one.
He is here alone. Does he have a girlfriend?
So generous. I don't think he has a girlfriend. Listen, let's have a game. I wonder if I can dinner as the winner. I think I can. Anyone wants to join? As I know he's the finance guy. Just came back from abroad this year. He has been busy with work. No time to find a girlfriend.
Vlogger pala yan.
Hindi lang, gupit lang.
Okay.
Pag ako nagpapagupit.
It could be no one can win. Excuse me. Where is the restroom? Over there. Thanks.
I think successful elites are workaholics. They only know working overtime all day. So boring.
Is that agility? Okay, let's handle it.
Thank you.
Is it late for you to join now?
It's here. It's rare to have all of you here to celebrate Qian Qian's birthday. Let's have fun tonight. Great.
Come on. Go easy on girls later.
Am I this kind of person? Am I? Yes, you are. You.
Blue Moon? It's called Blue Moon? Why is this name so familiar? Tian Tian, why do you choose to have a birthday party here?
If Xiaoxin works as far as you.
She just works here. Don't use too much imagination, okay? Everyone don't make rumors anymore. And I discussed with Xiaoxin. We can celebrate anywhere. Here she can get some permission. Dispel those rumors right away. He is back. Yes, sure.
Qian Qian's treat today. We can open a good bottle of wine, right?
Sure. Hi. Sorry, I have something to say here. Hello, gentleman, table 9. Mr. Number 9. Yes. Hello? I want to invite you to have a meal with me. I want to have a meal with you very sincerely. I got the restaurant. The time is up to you. This restaurant's building is very majestic. And the dining environment is very sweet. With all Chinese local cuisines, all kinds of Chinese and Western food, and various barbecues, various soups. We have everything you want here. What the hell? If she can win, I can eat the table.
She is so active.
So brave. I want to invite you to dinner very sincerely. Please accept it. Okay?
Well said.
Please, please.
Okay. A deal. Inspired by the freshness of nature, Ivan now comes with a fresh look. Our table is made of logs. I guess someone will have indigestion. Great.
Yes. Well, nothing. Can you help me take my classmates to the private room, okay? Thanks. I'll come later.
Awesome. It's so hard for him to refuse you. Great.
So unbelievable. Yan Xiaoshen just broke up with Shen Hao. Now she finds a new man? Seeing is believing. I finally know how she chased Shen Hao.
Hao's efforts will go to waste this time. Yan Xiaoshen has put it down a long time ago.
Xiaoqian drinks? Whatever you like, I do not understand. Okay, I can get you one, okay? Thanks. Wait for me. It's like nothing happened to her.
Shameless anyway.
Let me see your gifts.
Here.
Happy birthday. Thanks.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday. This is mine. This is Shen Hao's gift. You don't even look at mine?
Later. Great. Put it on, try it. Put it on. Let me help you. How's it? Great. Great. I prepared some snacks for you. Thanks. Here.
Hey, Hao's phone call. Hao, when are you coming? When are you coming? We are all waiting for you.
Jiang Qian. He wants me to say happy birthday to you. Come.
Help me say thanks to him.
He wants to say thank you to you. Oh, hey. Hi.
Why he doesn't come?
It's great. Otherwise, it's pretty embarrassing seeing his ex flirting.
I treat you as a friend, so I forgive you this time. Next time you misspeak, I won't let you slide.
Next time, what can you do with me?
You.
Xiaoshen, sit down with us. No thanks. It's my working hours. Enjoy yourselves.
Don't just sit here. Come. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday. Thanks. Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Miss Yan.
Hello. How do you know my last name is Yan?
I just asked the bartender. Yan Xiaoshen, right?
Right. What can I do for you?
I haven't told you the time yet.
Sir! Excuse me. Can I ask you to do me a favor?
What can I do for you?
Well, I made a bet with my colleagues. This bet is, if you can agree to have a meal with me, I can get a sum of money. Of course, you just need to act to play with me. Just one sentence. I won't delay your time, okay?
Are you short of money?
I'm just stuck here. Just one sentence will do. But when I get the money, we can go 50-50.
A deal.
Hi. This is the money I just won. This is one half. Take it.
I actually help you, not for money. I admire your honesty and directness.
But we had a deal. I have to keep my promise. Thank you. I know it's just a little money for you.
If you really want to thank me, you can have a dinner with me.
Okay. Well, as I said, I got the restaurant. Time is up to you. Maybe tomorrow. Maybe the day after tomorrow. Maybe years later.
Let's make it tomorrow, okay?
Okay.
Christmas season is Finally, may mga nanibago, may nasasabi at may abala pa. Pero kahit magkakaiba ang Pasko, magagawa natin ang special event. May you have a special handaan. It's choice.
Okay.
Can I have your phone number? I can call you tomorrow.
Mainit.
Have a good drink.
Malanak yun nila. Magkano?
This is my phone number. But the money.
Yung trabaho.
My phone number. 220. Keep in touch. Stop! Where are you going? Where are you going? Even Hao doesn't care. Why bother? You don't know the day they broke up. How much Hao drank. He still can't let go of her now.
I have classes, so it's not convenient to take phone calls. You can text me.
Okay. See you tomorrow.
Thank you tonight. Goodbye.
Kaya ako binuray. Hindi nga pala, di ba, hindi nilalagay ng haircut yung ano. Pero yung robot niya. Haircut na una ko eh.
Ah, haircut ribbon sa nalagay.
Oo.
Sige na yan. Isa lang si madam yan kasi 2,000.
May kulay si...
Let's go. Let's go.
Okay, okay.
Go.
Kasi customer niya yun. Pag customer sa taas, sa kabila yun.
Jen Jen. Happy birthday. Thank you. Shenhe was so generous. He didn't come, but the gift is the most expensive. So wait,
Ano pala siya?
was it
Oo.
that shop you gave
Kaya
me?
sabi ko kay, ano na lang, hindi na lang kasi hindi ko, zero pa.
Looked at everyone she is not
Questioning
happy.
yan, madam.
Oh. Ay, hindi naman ako naman ako.
Anong tawag niya?
She didn't give you anything?
Ay, fake. Kalbo.
Hindi, wala namang problema kasi request ang customer niya.
Ano ba sa hindi siya tayo?
Ayaw kasi ng bulok. Ayaw kasi ng...
Kaya,
Jen Jen. Happy birthday.
maraming kaalam.
For me? Yeah. Open it.
Oo, kaya mainit kasi kumain ka ng mainit.
Pinaka-25 na.
Okay pala sa'yo, te.
The last time I was at the show, I saw my daughter and said I liked it. Can you believe it?
Nag-experiment eh. Tinitingnan kung anong bagay na...
Yung mga haircut na style.
During my working
Bagay sa'yo kaya. Salamat. Hindi mainit. Yun kasi yung habol ko eh. Tsaka ang bilis kasi umaba.
How's it? Great.
February na ulit siya gugupitan.
Great.
Hindi.
It's the most thoughtful gift.
Hindi, basta, oo, basta kasi pag feeling ko eh, sumusundot na dito.
I will
Kaya
wait for you.
pwede naggupitan.
Thank you. Eat more. No. Try it.
Parcel.
Wala kang parcel. Order na ako sa ano. TikTok na kids set.
Oh, kaya tuloy.
Guess what I saw at Blue Moon Bar? Yan Xiaoshen, you know what? He is drunk. Take him away. He is drunk. He is drunk.
Ha? Okay, tomorrow.
Hello. I asked you to text me.
I am at your college's entrance. I think you are having a lunch break, so you can answer the call.
Tomorrow kita kausap.
Does not know which college I am.
Then matututo ka.
Usually students working part-time in a place nearby the college.
Sa kanya ko na
What if you are wrong?
Yung mga malalim na English. Tinuruan ko yan, te.
I am right.
layo.
Gaya ng if you are given a chance. If you're there today, why not tomorrow? Child like. Joke lang.
Hi.
Parang umiyak ka na.
Wala na.
Let's go. Have a
Eh,
meal.
Kahit ka babayan mo talaga kung may ugali.
Suntan and Chi Yuan DB Miracle Sunscreen Times 3 Hydrating Now to instantly hydrate and repair skin.
Deserve mo kayo yun?
Hindi tayo! Bakit ba? Easy and with Mix. There. Nice. Sarap siya even na may yun. Now I sun cream.
Binaliktad yung salita doon. Ate. Binaliktad yung mga salita doon sa taas. Hindi na niwala mo. Pinalis na siya di madam sa taas. Sige na kami nagtumasa tayo kami. Siya nag-listen. Ay, hindi na. Alis talaga. Kasi nalilitan ko talaga. Pinag-kiss naman kami dalawa. Hello, malapit na December. Huwag mo sabihin yung pumasko namin sa'yo is okay. Ay, saging na ano? Ano yun?
Diyos ko, kahit naman hindi Pasko, pwede na pa kumain ng saging.
Wow!
Grabe.
Ano saging? Yung maliit na saging?
Lubos.
Charla. Napaparinig lang baka. Nakabalot na yan ng ano, fighting corn beef. Charla, joke lang.
Sabi ng Christmas.
Hindi lang, importante masaya ka sa
Sa Christmas, mag-ano ako. Mag-iikot
Yung malakas yung katawan, di ba? Ganun lang, tapos biglang may nagpunta. Oh, sa'yo yan. Puro pala pantilayan na rin tinignan.
Nakatawa rin. Natawa kay Dino. Nasabihan siya ng mga kapatid niya na huwag pumunta ng Pilipinas.
Yung jowa mo? Sinabihan na? Nagsabi na?
Sinabihan siya na huwag pumunta ng Pilipinas kasi hindi na daw makakapatid ko.
Ipisa po natin taas.
Sabi ko, no, hindi yan.
Ano naman yung ticket, di ba? Yung round trip?
Yeah.
At saka,
Mas maiksi ba? Pangit na.
Sakto yun lang po. Kasi yung pinakita niya sa aking video, mga body ko.
Pero pwede pa siyang nipisan. Mas maiksi.
Babagay lang po natin dito sa page.
Okay. Hindi pwedeng mas maiksi pa.
Magiging kalooban.
Pag half inch, pakalbo na siya. Okay.
ano yan, Day? Guwapa. Pumunay na ko, Day.
Ay, si Mami, no? Customer niyo.
Hi!
Morning, ma'am.
I-schedule mo ko, ha?
Kailan?
Basta.
Oo.
Tapusin mo nga, paalis na.
Di mo pansa?
Punta?
Wow!
Ano bansa?
Kasi niya yung
Oo, sinuot ko kahapon. Sinuot kami kahapon, promise. Oo.
Yung, ano ba?
Bang, pupud lang. Cleaning lang kasi sa sunod.
Masama ko mula
Saan siya
na?
pupuntang bansa?
December 16 pa rin kailan, busy ako.
Oo, December 16. Sige, mga ano siguro?
Hindi, mga,
10.
hindi, mga 9, gano'n mo.
Sige.
Kulay at okay.
Oo.
Pedicure.
Tama para magkasi mo kung ano color.
Pupud-pud ko itong mga
Nagkaya ko sa una.
Oo. Ay, schedule natin yan, ha?
Oo.
Teka lang.
Kaya ito sa una. Ako, biya ko, di ba?
Sa Amerika ka mo.
Para pagbalik.
New Zealand.
Ano, doon ka na o uuwi ka pa? Visit lang?
Business mo lang po.
Ah, okay.
Naluto yung sakuan, kaya hindi ko pinagagyan ng security. Ngayon, pag po rito kay panay sapatos ang gabi ko doon. Kasi malamig.
Nakamidyas pa.
Pud-pud talaga yan.
Doon nga sa Amerika, nag-iis mo yung labi ko.
Ay, kung lipak lang, mas amaw hindi atay. Ikaw talaga, luka-luka mo. Ito dahil, amaw. Yan na, huwag yun mga bayot, no? Mataasay kung kisay tayo sa bisong.
Bisong yun.
Huli na ko.
Bisong
Flight niya kasi. Flight sa Japan. Kunin siya ng kapam niya.
Dapat.
Sa Silang Cavite ba yun?
Utang ginawa.
Sila.
Ang lapit lang mo pala. Hindi mali, apam din naman yun eh. O, di ba?
Hindi mo sponsor lang pamasahe.
Diba na? Seryoso na.
Pinatawa lang kita. Pinatawa lang kita para maging vlogging. Vlogging naman. Kaya ito nga eh. Tumatawa nga sa akin eh.
Namura ka tuloy. Kasi seryoso ako.
Oo.
Ito na, maganda pa rin.
Pa ibang bansa na daw siya.
Punta na siya sa New
2 months
Zealand.
lang ako.
Ato.
2 months vacation sa New
February
Zealand.
dito ka na.
Ha? Okay lang ako yung pumunta ko. Oh, may chocolate kayo.
Tumugani mo rin.
January 6, 7, 17. Oo, pati pa birthday ko.
Wow. Mag-advance ka na dito.
Ay, na-advance ko na sa kanila.
Sa akin, wala. Mga pants dahil. Kasi alis ko pa naman ako. Punta pa naman akong ano.
Gracias sa'yo. Utang na lang.
Oo. Kaya mag-advance birthday ka naman, madam. Nakit mo sa akin. Ibig sabihin mo, kaya ako. Sinuotan ni Kapon. Isuotan mo Kapon. Oo.